Log on to home.swann1.com and create a new account. Or if you already have one, just sign in. To pair the motion sensors, open the motion sensor by pushing back the release catch on top and lifting off the rear panel. Then, insert the batteries, or remove the battery tab to engage the battery and activate the motion sensor. Next, from your account dashboard, go to My Settings, then Motion Sensors, then Add a Device. The system will enter pairing mode. Now press the Connect button on the rear of the motion sensor. The status LED blinks once. When pairing is complete, the status LED blinks twice. Click the Setup page to confirm the motion sensor was paired successfully. Then finish the setup process by following the on-screen instructions. If the sensor is not connecting as expected, perform a sensor reset by pressing and holding the Connect button until the status LED blinks rapidly. Then try pairing the sensor again. Repeat the process for other motion sensors.